Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. Today we're going to talk about Nivf. I made a video about 4 days ago, I believe, telling you guys, like, hey, there's a stock here, low float, loves to have big runs, and it's got some catalyst under their way. It's got a merger. If the volume comes in, here are your sell targets: 50 cents, 65 cents, and 90 cents. These are your levels. This one loves to pump. Look at this run here, from 60 cents to $3. These little runs here from 82 to 118. Doesn't sound like a lot. I did buy in at 0.40. I alerted it in the Discord. Let me show you that, guys. But before I show you that, look at this. What is it, 4 days ago? Yeah, 4 days ago, Nivf stock from pennies to dollars, low float share buybacks. So if you got in back when it was at like 36 cents, because I know some of you got in earlier than me, I got in at 40 cents, then you're sitting pretty on some gains already. Yeah, if you bought at 36 cents, then if it goes to 50, yeah, about 54 cents, then you're already up 50%. Whereas for me, it has to move to 0.60 for me to get a 50% winner. But I'm already up a bit because I bought at, here it is, I alerted it on the 27th. $1,000 in at 0.40, manual stop at 0.35, Nivf stock reverse merger, share buyback, short squeeze play. So I have a stop loss to protect myself in case it comes down, in case they don't follow through. And I have a strategy. I have my sell targets. If it goes to 0.50, which in after hours it moved to 0.46, so I could technically sell for like what, 10-15%. But I'm not looking for 10-15% just yet. On Monday, if this continues to move in our favor, and if it does come to 50 cents, I'll take some off the table, move up my stop loss to break just above my break even, and I'm playing for free at that point. Even if it stops me out, I already took some gains off the table, I'll be fine. So that's my strategy. That's why I say you got to have a strategy. I'm surprised at how many people don't have a strategy. They just kind of go, oh, Shades said buy this. Yeah, but you should have a strategy. Don't just throw money around and hope. Have a strategy so that you protect your account. The most important thing is not taking profit. It's protecting your account, because if you blow up, you're finished, right? So if this does break out right here, it's important that we break out here. If we break out successfully, we're going to 50 cents. Don't be surprised if it gaps up. If it gaps up, I'm taking profit in pre-market. If it gaps up, because usually if it gaps up in pre-market, it tends to dump in pre-market, and then at open it just dumps even more, and it just starts tanking. So yeah, so depending on how it moves, I'll be looking to take profit. I'm okay with 25%. I'm not gonna complain. 25% is 25%. That's $250. I'm gonna go buy myself a walking treadmill so I don't have to sit at a desk making videos and lose some weight while walking. No, I'm not kidding. I am looking to buy one of those not walking desk, treadmills that I can put underneath the desk. Foldable, so I can, put it underneath the bed or something. So it's not, in the way. So, not only do I have a strategy, but I already have in mind, if I make this amount, I'm buying that treadmill, right? Isn't that funny? I already have in mind what I'm going to buy with it. You got to believe, guys, but also have protection in terms of stop loss. If you want to join the Discord, I suggest joining through patreon.com/shadesandtrades after January 1st, so that you're not charged twice. And in there, I do post exclusive content. I posted all my strategies, 30-minute video, Discord strategies 101, value line, bottoms buying, MACD strategy, dip buying, bear markets, and other exclusive content, breaking rules, NVIDIA stock, and AI portfolio to rule them all. So if you watch this video on December 3rd, and you bought those 3 AI stocks that I talked about, you're up big on some of them because they skyrocketed, especially the quantum computing stocks and SoundHound AI and Serve Robotics and all the other ones. So you get some exclusive content over there. I'm not going to say you're always going to win, but you're going to win more often than not. Not a guarantee. Got to throw that disclaimer out there. I'm just some guy sitting in a chair giving you the plays, up to you to have the execution more than anything, and follow the game plan that I'm giving you. Hopefully if you got in when I first made the video back 3 days ago, because again, you got in at 36 cents. So I'm in at 40, you're in at 0.36. We're sitting pretty, right? But if you're chasing, please have a stop loss. All right? And please be careful with chasing if it gaps up. If it gaps up, I probably wouldn't chase. Because I'm going to dump it, right? So don't chase if it gaps up, honestly. All right? I just want to make sure, because there's so many people. My channel has been exploding right now because of the quantum computing stocks, and there are so many people. I'm shocked at how many people don't have a strategy. They hear a YouTuber say, hey, buy this stock, and they just buy it, but don't have like actual strategy behind it, which is like, what? No, you should have a strategy. I just gave you the strategy. I gave you the sell targets. I told you not to buy if it's already gapped up in pre-market. Don't chase it. Don't chase it, because people are going to dump it on your head, especially with it being a low floater. All right, guys, that is it for the video. This is, this is the second video I've made on this one. If you're not in it, be wary. If you jump in, have a stop loss. If this skyrockets to dollars or even up to 94 cents, you still stand to make some gains, some significant gains. So don't sleep on this one, because you want to buy them when no one wants it, and then dump it on the people that chase it up. Or you'll end up holding a big bag, which is not what I want. I'm not about getting people to hold a bag. And there's a difference between holding a stock all the way down and it coming back up for you because it's a good company, and the stock dumping and it just keeps dipping and dipping because it's actually a bad company. So I just want to show you an example. Mullen stock. What do you see in Mullen stock? Let's say you chase the top here at 339 and now it's at 0.89. You zoom out on the chart, you notice that since 2021 it just keeps dumping. You probably don't want to hold the bag all the way down because it's just going to reverse split and just keep dumping and never come back up for you. So you wouldn't want to hold the bag on that one, quote unquote a bag, because Nvidia stock is the opposite. It just keeps going up over the long term. During the bear market, it went from $34 to $10, then ran to $152 in the bull market. So if you held all the way down from 33 to 10, you might have been scared, I guess, because you don't know any better maybe. But then during the bull market, you would have been like, whoa, I'm glad I held. So holding a quote-unquote bag on a stock like Nvidia, it's hard to lose because it just keeps going up, right? Whereas Mullen, it just keeps going down. So Nivf stock, it's not a long-term hold. You don't want to hold it long-term. This is a complete catalyst play. Once the catalyst is over, it comes back down and trends to the downside. As you can see here, it's just been falling. So let me put it this way. This is like Mullen. It just keeps going down, but every now and then it offers an opportunity to make money off of it. That's why you have a stop loss. That's why you take advantage when it does pump. That is it for the video, guys. I just want to make sure you guys are prepared and ready and have some rules in case you don't have any, because so many people were messaging me like, I don't understand why the stock market was red on Friday. I don't understand. Guys, there's going to be pullbacks. People are going to take profit. Surprise, surprise. So don't chase if it gaps up big. Don't do it. You're just going to be used as liquidity for other people dumping who bought in on Friday or on Thursday when I alerted it. All right. Hit the subscribe button, guys. I'll be bringing more plays like this in the future. I will see you in the next one.